Here are the steps to install the reinforcement membrane adhered with hot SEBS modified bitumen around the drain and the vent. First, it is important to know the temperatures to be observed when applying hot SEBS modified bitumen. The minimum temperature of the bitumen in contact with the membrane must be between 218 and 232 degrees Celsius or 425 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And the temperature of the bitumen must never exceed 260 degrees Celsius or 500 degrees Fahrenheit in the kettle. Start by cutting a piece of reinforcement membrane measuring 915 by 915 millimeters or 36 by 36 inches and lay it on the surface at a 45-degree angle to the base sheet membranes. Trim the reinforcement membrane at the drain or the vent opening. Using chalk, trace the outline of the reinforcement membrane. Roll the reinforcement membrane to one of the corners and spread the bitumen inside the marked area at a rate of 1 to 1.5 kg per square meter or 20 to 25 pounds per 100 square feet. Then unroll the membrane in place onto the hot bitumen. If necessary, use the membrane roller to ensure a good adhesion to the exterior perimeter of the membrane as well as to the perimeter of the drain. Raise the opposite corner to spread hot bitumen and adhere the last section in place. This installation is now complete.